Hey, fuck it up. Alright, y'all. Oh, look, I can see him, mom. Alright, hey, it's your girl, K Cash Noel, and here comes my son. Alright, y'all. Hey, it's your girl, K Cash Noel. This is my first video I'm putting down with y'all today. Y'all ready? Cause sis.
Alright, let's get into this video. Like I was telling y'all. So this is my first video for this new channel, which is called K Cash Noel. If y'all don't know, my IG is also K Cash Noel, where I will be uploading different things. I am a public figure. I'm also an entrepreneur. I am the owner of Florence Extension, as you guys know. If you don't know, go on my IG, K Cash Noel. Click onto Florence Extension. Go ahead and follow both pages. You never know what deals I have. Currently, I have a first 50 to subscribe on my page. We'll get, what is it called? First 50 people who subscribe on my page will get a 50%, not 50%, discount on any of my products. So, just an FYI, y'all. Just an FYI. You get some free money right quick. Okay. Alrighty, so let's talk. I did jot some stuff down for y'all, fabulous people. And so, yeah, I don't mind my little chin bump down here. I know I got my hairs all on my face with my lip gloss, but don't mind it, okay? I feel like I reacted with my lip gloss. It's alright, okay. So, pretty much, I'm gonna explain to y'all what this channel is gonna be about. I feel like I gotta put this down because I feel like I'm yelling. I'm gonna explain to y'all what this channel is supposed to be about, and you know what we're gonna bring to the table, because we all want to grow with our companies, okay? All right, so pretty much this channel is gonna be about my journey with my business itself, like step-by-step stuff, things y'all want to know, you know, because you know, like opening a business is not easy. People make it seem like it's like overnight. It's a lot of patience, and it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of investment. So don't sleep, sis. Don't sleep. Nothing's gonna sell itself. You have to sell it for yourself. Okay. Also, I'm gonna be talking about how you could build websites, so forth. Like that's another thing about your business, how to do your numbers for sales, anything about being self-employed or having additional jobs while building your brand. It is very important that you don't just pretty much, like say for instance, you know, like if you're building a company or whatever the case may be, and you're trying to build your company, you got to remind yourself that you have to have an additional, you have to have multiple source of income. That's number one. You definitely have to have multiple sources of incomes in order for you to achieve that ultimate goal. Yeah, you have your brand, but you also have to have a job. You also have to have side hustles, like stuff that you don't have to too much invest in while like money wise, but like you could just spend your time and make your own money. I'll get into stuff like that with you guys. I'm not gonna go over too much on this video. I just wanted to do like a quick synopsis of what we're gonna be going over and these things. So yeah, if I didn't tell y'all by now, but I'm gonna tell you right now, do me a favor and go follow my Facebook page called Growth Within Your Company. It's called Growth Within Your Company. It's a platform I'm building for those who are entrepreneurs and who wants to build on to their company, support one another, and you know, it's a free platform. Get to know people for free, right? You know, ask people questions that you want to know about your company and building, and you know, you get to put your business out there. I literally just opened it, so I started off with 2 members. I currently have like 11 members right now, but I believe I'm gonna delete this page because it doesn't allow me to change the image. So I think I have to delete it to be able to change the image and the icon. I don't know what what Facebook got going on, but they need to fix that because people don't really feel like deleting and reposting. So just to let y'all know, FYI. All right. Also, this page will always have promo codes because I am an ambassador of a clothing line, which I'm gonna tell y'all. I think it's I'm gonna tell you about that in the end. And I would definitely provide you guys with promo codes and my clothing lines and stuff I'll be wearing, because I will be posting them on my IG page. Anything you guys do like, I have my own promo code for it. So you guys will be able to purchase stuff through my promo code for a discount. Girl, you know I'm trying to give y'all free money. Anywho's. All right, so my next thing Now I told y'all what this whole video stuff is gonna be about. I'm gonna talk to you guys about what my business consists of and what I do. Oh my god, there's so much to go. I'm playing. This video is gonna be so short because I do not like long-winded videos. So y'all already know. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to lose some weight. I'm trying to lose 35 pounds within 2 months. Y'all think I could do it? I know I could do it. I have to do it because I'm very unhealthy right now. Hair, bro. All right. So what does my business consist of? I think I just put my note in my face. So my mainstream business is Florence Extension, which consists of lippies, hairs, and eyelashes. I do have some Florence lashes on. These are like this thing touched back here. But these are my lashes on my brand. These are my new 3D minks. I had some before. I didn't really like them, but these are the bigger ones, and they are very lovely and they're very sturdy. I had this on for like at least a week. Yeah, a whole week, y'all. And it's nothing ripping off, nothing coming off. It's just really good product. And so yeah, I'll be selling these lashes for the good. So y'all, this is the month, November's coming around, so there is gonna be like a lot of I'm gonna have a lot of, what's the thing called, what's it called, oh my god, I forget. I'm gonna have a lot of sales. I don't know how I forgot that. This is my song, that's what I forgot. Anywho, so let's keep moving forward. Yeah, oh, and this hair is also Florence Extension. This is my body wave hair that I actually colored. I washed like so many times. Like, this hair is bomb. I'm gonna show y'all because sometimes I like to show people the quality of the hair, because you know people be thinking like, oh, this is raggedy hair. No, sis, it is not raggedy. And I don't know if y'all can see. Do you see? There's no hair. And I'm using a fine tooth comb. So I'm just letting y'all see the quality of the hair. So y'all don't think it's a hoax. It's not a hoax, sis. See? Let me see if I can show y'all. That's there. But yeah, as I stated to y'all, this is good quality hair. And I don't need to lie to you like the head bust. But I do also installations. I'll show you how to install my wigs and stuff like that to y'all too. Oh my god, there's something in my eye. I don't know what it is on a piece of hair or something, but it's definitely in there. But I'll show you how I install my hairs as well if y'all want to. Quick versions of my everyday installs or how I do long lasting installs. It's all the same. So it really don't bother me. Alright. The next thing I do, as I told y'all before, I am an ambassador of Rahi. And I did say I was gonna let y'all know this in the end, so we're close to the end. And I'll give you guys the review of the different outfits I wear, and I'll provide you guys with promo codes. I believe one of the outfits I have on, if my son comes to the door, start knocking, don't mind him. He just like doing stuff like that. But I have different promo codes. No, I have an outfit on my intro. That's a Rahi outfit, and I really like the outfit. It's really dope. I want to take more pictures in it and repost and post it online for y'all, so y'all can see a more better visual of it. So that's something I am going to do. Let me put this volume down because I feel like this bit is like really out. But anyways, that's one thing I did do. I also work a 9-to-5 job while taking care of my nuggets. So I do work from home, and so if you guys wonder like, well, how do you get this money and how do you move stuff? It's important. Like, you gotta understand, yes, I'm a businesswoman and I'm trying to achieve my goals, but at the same time, you as an individual, you need to understand that you have to actually physically work a job before letting it go. Yes, it's you may not want to work for people. I don't want to work for nobody, but you gotta find something that's best suitable for you that allows you to do everything. So I found a perfect job that allows me to be at work at home mom. I also get to do my company, and I also get to like build up myself. So that's something I'm very proud of myself about. I'm gonna move forward because I'm trying to make this less than 15 minutes, and y'all know sometimes I could be at 35 minutes. I'm not trying to do that today, so let's keep moving. Why I started this journey. So I actually started my, oh my god, this thing really is bothering my eye. I don't know what's coming from. it's not my lashes, it's a piece of hair that I feel like that keeps flying into my eyes. So in 2017, I believe my grandma died. No, I think it was 2018, either one of these years. But 2018, no, it was 2017, my grandma died. So 2018, I had to decide to launch a business company because I felt like I was wasting time in life. It didn't work out as well as I wanted to. I did do the whole thing where I had all the inventory at hand and, you know, try to sell it that way. And that's, y'all, that's the worst thing you could possibly do to yourself, because having inventory at hand is just, it sucks. I just don't like it. I don't like it, and I'll tell you guys why one day, why I don't like the inventory at hand. I'll make a whole video about it, and what's the pros and cons about the two things, just to let you know. But that's one of the reasons why I did decide to work from, start my company. I did just relaunch my company again in August. So it's been so much better since I relaunched it. I'm super proud of myself. I have a business partner who does my marketing for me. So it's very cool. I will let you guys know when she is ready to expose herself. So right now she's not in the stage of wanting to. So, but she is my business partner and she helps out on my advertisement and so forth and so on. What else? The reason why I just started my journey is because I got tired of working for people. Yeah, I still work for somebody, but my ultimate goal is not to work for anybody. So that's why I'm trying to, you know, pretty much build myself so I make enough income. But once my income fits my bills times 2, then I'll quit. You know what I'm saying? Then I don't have to work for nobody. What else? Let's see. And also the last thing, the reason why I started this is because I want to build on something. I want to build on something like, you know, I want to have my own company so I can, you know, give to my kids or whatever the case with me. Build your own brand so you can always say, this is me. You don't want to build off of somebody else. You want to make sure you got your own stuff. And that was one of the things I wanted to do, and that's what I did do. What would be my advice to you guys who are out here and currently trying to get to a certain stage? Like, let's not get it twisted. I do get sales. You know, I get sales, and it's growing constantly. It's constantly growing. It's amazing how you start from some small stuff and now you're like coming to this huge company, and it's like, wow. And it's surprising, it's amazing, it's a great feeling. But that's what happens when you apply yourself. It doesn't happen overnight. It really does not happen overnight, and I'm going to keep telling you that. You have to apply. Some people are lucky. They have those who are supporters and whatever in the community. They purchase and you get, you know, you get that stuff going on, whatever. But if you want a bigger umbrella, you have to invest in yourself and you have to invest in your company, and you definitely have to get your exposure. Your exposure is everything. Like, it's everything. Now, trust me, I know this. What else I'm gonna tell y'all? My advice to y'all would be keep pushing no matter what. Like, there's so many times I wanted to give up in the beginning of the process, but I keep pushing. My relaunch date, I relaunched on the 12th of August. I am now 3 months out. I'm about to be 3 months out since I relaunched, and I'm just so excited because I'm in Cali. Like, when people visit my website, I see it. So it's kind of cool. I'm like, people from UK is on there, Nigeria, Australia, and it's just like, I'm here. Florence Extension is here, you know, and you're reaching numbers. So Nigerian people want to know, people like they contact me like, hey, you know, they ask different questions, and it's exciting to me how that works. So it's a very it's a learning experience for me, and I'm excited. I'm glad that I took that route. And one day I'll tell you guys a story of how everything started in the beginning and how it was so rocky at first, and in how I am where I am right now. That'll be some videos I will post for you guys maybe later on this month or so forth and so on. You guys could also comment below and what you want to hear and what you want to see. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. I did tell you guys to keep pushing. That is my advice to y'all. I also want to tell you guys, like, you know, sometimes whenever you feel like giving up, there's this podcast called Side Hustle Pro. If you ever listen to that podcast, it kind of encourages you to keep moving. It's different stories about different people who started off at a certain time, and then, you know, they're at where they want to be, and it's just them applying. So it gives you encouragement. It's something that I would advise you guys to listen to while you're doing it. So yeah, that's my advice. My next thing I want to tell you guys about was, I told y'all, well, I will probably be talking about my weight loss journey on here and what to eat, what not to eat. So this can be a mixture of everything, because remember I told you guys this is a public figure / entrepreneurship. So it'll be both of you, so you guys will see my everyday living. Sometimes I'll vlog for y'all, not all the times, but I'll try my best to vlog. Vlogging is very hard. It's a lot of going around with cameras, and I got 2 kids sometimes, so y'all gonna be pretty much seeing me vlogging in the house. I do have another channel called Maisha K Marie. That's more personal with me and my kids. If you got families, if you want to subscribe to that, you can. That's my other channel I do have. But like I told you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, please, and turn on the bell notification. And also follow me on Facebook with the group I just opened, which is Growth Within Your Company. Also follow me on IG called K Cash Noel, Influence Extension, of course. I sound so dead right now, like, oh my god. Yeah, it's early in the dang morning. It's too early for that. But anyway, y'all, that's all I have to tell y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the amazing stuff I got for y'all. Like, listen, I'm telling y'all, the current I'll take this from the current sale I got. Oh yeah, look at that. The current sale I got going on right now is the first 50 to subscribe. So just let y'all know, if y'all want to be part of that the gangster sale, do yourself a favor, get that promo code and get a discount and purchase. It's on all items on my stuff. I got stuff for like, the cheapest item I think I have on my account is $15. So get a promo code and get a discount on $15 item. If I get that before like $5, $10, so whatever. You never know. Just try. All you gotta do is subscribe. It's so easy. Subscribe, hello. But we're about to have a flash sale pretty soon. Y'all know November is the month of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Woo! We about to make some money this month. Oh, all right, y'all. I gotta clock out because I gotta clock in. All right, TTYL. See y'all soon. What should I call y'all? Cash Money Babes? I don't know. I'm gonna come up with a name. Y'all can comment below what name should I call y'all. Cash Money Babe, Cash Flow. What is it? Cash? I'm playing. But I gotta go, y'all. See y'all later. TTYL. Deuce.